All right, so here's a video tour of what's going on. Here's where the blowout happened in the fire sprinkler riser room. They're putting this in here to start the blowout air dry process in a few minutes. A lot of water was in the elevator shaft. This thing was full, but the elevator was on the second floor. Elevator equipment room. It's got some water left in it. This is about, 4 or 5 hours post this event taking place. Here's the few-day-old carpet starting to do some really freaky things. This is all wet. This was all wet. This room's back here. Then tons of water was in the gym. This thing had a couple of inches in it. But here's where the real joy is. Let me show you what is going to be the show during this year. Yeah. Here we go. The beast that is going to make it all better. This thing. Epicness.